Okay. If I don't get to show you this, what I wanted to show you is an assembler that works at compile time and allows you to do fun stuff. You can just write stuff like push edx, subtract something from ESP, and the assembly is done for you. Okay. It looks like this. Like you see here, it's a really bad picture, but we can't help that right now. So, you see those things? Those push EBP, push EDX, and then the subtraction from the stack pointer. So we can do this So we can do this properly. I have to.
Near displays.
Yeah, I have to think when I mirror it, it doesn't work. No, when I mirror it, it doesn't work. Oh my god. Okay, it does. Great, super. Now, this is the code you see. We do those assembly language instructions, and then we save that. First have to close this thing. Oh, it's horrible. Close. Go here. Oops. And now I compile. And you see a random string of bytes. What would this tell you? Well, let us go to the online disassembler, and then we can see I have to turn around because the mirror display doesn't actually mirror. So copy this, put it on the online disassembler, paste. No, that's not what I wanted to see. Paste it in. Come on, paste it in, and here something changes. I have to go here, and then we say push EBP, push EDX, sub ESP. Let's look at the file of what we should see. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Okay, now we can do something even cooler. Like, you know, when you write assembly, you have to remember where you do your jump fix-ups and stuff. We can do all that cool stuff at compile time too. And let me show you this. This will be the second line in the output. So compile again. We copy this, paste it in here, and we see a UD, we see a jump to this location, and we see UD, and we jump over a knob. Let's look at the code. So we generate a UD. After that, we want to put a jump label. We put a we put a knob, and after the jump, we put a UD, which is exactly what we see in this nice online disassembler here. And this is like super cool. And yeah, actually, I can show you something that's equally cool as well. You can do a little bit more. You can do a disassembly of this code as well at compile time. And it says UD2 jump to 8 where the UD2 is, and we jump over the knob. This is pretty cool, isn't it? So, do I have time for questions? No, I don't have time for questions, right?
You have time for a couple questions.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions about this? Yes?
Yeah, how much of the complete instruction set do you support? Do you support like the full x86 or just like some subset of it?
I just hacked it together in the last 20 minutes, so I support just what you see there.
One more question.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Thanks, Stefan.
I'm really excited that this is possible at CTFE because with this you can actually write your code in assembly language that is nicer than the inline assembler, in my opinion, and you can then you get this byte string which you can put into the inline assembler, and that's nice.
So can we get a huge round of applause for all the lightning speakers? DConf is not over. We still have the hackathon tomorrow. I'm not sure if all of you are there, but I want to take the opportunity now to quickly say some thank yous. First one is a huge thank you to the Heimathafen staff, who've just been wonderful. Shout out to the D Foundation, also Sociomantic, the AV teams, all the people that made the conference happen. All the speakers, all of you for attending as well, and everybody on the live stream. No clap for that? What happened there? We also have a series of sponsors you can see on the banner. We have Air France KLM, we have Starka Team Catering, we have Access Event Solutions, we also have WAST Keyboards, and Strappy Happy. So big round of applause for the sponsors for backing what we do here. I hope I didn't leave anybody out. So thank you all so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. If not, I'll see you next year. Ciao.